Ito yung dating desktop ko, ah, ITX, mini ITX siya. I forgot the casing. I'll try to search again for the model. Pero this one broke down a few years ago. Ah, Hindi ko na siya ginamit ever since. So I had like 6 drives here kasi ah, the casing may capacity siya for the drives. Wala lang ngayon yung drive cages. And then the board itself, meron siyang 6 SATA ports. Now, uh, since the pandemic, I've been using my laptop para sa work. Pero, it's really underpowered. Kasi I just bought it to be able to write documents. Since sa office, meron naman akong desktop na i7 for software development. So I really just needed a laptop that I could bring around para ano for making documents whenever I'm not at home or at the office. But since the pandemic, uh, I'm beginning to use a lot of software on my laptop sabay-sabay. There's Zoom, there's MS Teams, there's several browsers open because majority of our tools that we use for work browser based, and we all know na nowadays yung Google Chrome really is a resource hub. So now uh, I've decided na I should get a desktop, since siguro this setup for the pandemic would last for another year, I guess. So I'm opting to sana reuse the case itself kasi I still have the hard drives. I want to be able to put in there, and from what I've seen nowadays, most of the casings ng computers na nilalabas, they really don't have that much drive capacity, yung cages. Lahat ng nakikita ko hanggang 2 lang at most. uh, I, I don't see yung mga apatan. So I decided to just reuse. Now, since pang micro ITX uh, na board siya, no? Mini ITX, kailangan ko na lang din ulit na, I guess, to build a mini ITX based na system. So I'm gonna get a new one, an MITX board. I'm opting to get uh, an Intel based system because I'm working on applications, and uh, kailangan really the development tools work on Intel. So I'm gonna go get either an i5 or an i3 kasi from what I've seen or read about, uh, even the i3 10100 nowadays actually performs similarly to an i7 7700. So just going by yung speed ng processor, I could do away with that. Instead of going with an i7, just go with an i3. Pero the i3 kasi, it's, from what I've seen again, 4 cores and 8 threads. But I'm gonna run a few virtual machines on this desktop, so might as well go for something with a little more, with more cores. So siguro an i5 would do, the variants with the 6 cores and 12 threads. I'm looking at the 10400. your base frequency is a little slow, 2.9, pero I think that's capable enough since it can boost to around 4 gigahertz. So that's a plan. So this I'm gonna clean up. I've tested the PSU, and it works. So I'm gonna start uh, cleaning this up, removing the old board, and go from there. So I'll be making other videos uh, detailing my build